Okay, hey everyone. Today I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown of what I try to show you guys Monday, on the installations of the softwares for programming. To begin, I'll show you the installation for the WPI library versus code for 2023. So first, you start off by going to WPILib versus code 2023. Then go towards WPILib installation guide as shown here, and then click download for Windows. Then from there, the download section should continue on. I am recording this on a virtual machine since I already have this pre-installed on my laptop, so I'll just try to show it here on virtual machine. I hope you guys can do the same. Well, not on a virtual machine, but like on your laptop. It's the same thing. While that downloads, we'll go to install the FRC Game Tools. So you do FRC Game. Oh, I did not type that properly. FRC Game Tools. And it should say National Instruments right there. From there, you just want to go into. Let me just cancel that. Just click download. And it should pop up here as well. After that, you're gonna want to install REV Hardware Client. So in case we work with any like Spark Maxes, Neo Motors, so on and so forth, we would use this. So we would go into installation section of REV Hardware Client, and then click download latest REV hardware. If you click on the other link, it's going to send you up here. Let me show that by instance. If you click this, it will just send you to the overview. And you just go down here into the installation, which is right here. They may pop up, but you could do either or, but I always just go here into installation. And it should install. Another one we want to install is Phoenix Tuner. Okay, Phoenix Tuner. And it should say CTR Electronics. From there, click it, Software and Downloads, and then click Windows 64-bit.exe. It is recommended that your software is 64-bit. It should be with the newest laptops. If not, I don't think there's a 32-bit. Anyways, continuing on, you will also install the software for the FRC Radio. FRC Radio Configuration utility. Actually, no, wait. There you go, download. And right there, it should say FRC Radio Configuration 23.0.2. Depends on the edition that they release, but for now, this is the one we want to install. And you should have all of these. Let me double check what else do I need. Now I think that should be it. Okay. From there, you want to go to your files, go to your Downloads tab, and you should have everything there. Ignore the Chrome, I just had to make sure everything was set up. Now, you would first want to do is install the hardware clients, so to make it easier on us. So let me show you how to do REV hardware. Just click yes, click install. And now that it's done downloading the client, you could run it if you want, but we just click finish from there. And then after it should pop up on your home screen. There you go. FRC Hardware Client. After that, you want to install the CTRE Phoenix framework. It will say Windows protected your PC, but just click more info and then click run anyway. because it's a verified software, so you should be fine. And then click yes. After that, you want to click next, and make sure it's on C++ and Java, and you do not, and I repeat, do not have it on LabVIEW or Hero C. Just C++, Java. If it's just like this, leave it alone. Click next, and I agree. And click I agree again. And then from there, the Phoenix framework setup should complete. And it should be done. Okay, another thing to note, I stopped the recording real quick. Would you like to install this software? Click install. And it should be done, as you can see down here. Okay, and click finish. And just close this. There was the notes, release notes. You could remove that one just by unchecking it. But I just wanted to do it as quickly as I can. Just click X and you should be good. And there you go. You have both the Phoenix tuner and the REV Hardware Client. Going from there, we'll do the FRC Radio Configuration. Oh yeah, let me. Yeah, you can still click it. Let me so I can show you again. I may mess up myself. Just go into the FRC configuration, run the application, click more info, because again, it's a verified software. Run anyway, and this should pop up. Just click yes, click next, and then click next. Wait, let me go back. Make sure this is checked where it says create a desktop shortcut, so you could always have it on your desktop. Continuing on, click install, click OK, click I agree. You need this to have the FRC radio configuration, so if it asks for the NP cap, install it. And just have this, install NC cap in WinPCAP AP app compatible mode. Just click install, or just leave it alone and just click install. Sorry, my bad. Click next, and then click finish. And it should pop up, there you go. FRC Radio Configuration. Click finish again. And there you go. You've got your hardware clients for Phoenix Tuner and REV Hardware, and you have the FRC configuration utility. Continuing on, we'll go back to our download section, and then click on the NI FRC 2023 Game Tools. Click that and run it. Click yes, and wait for the pop-up to pop up. There you go. Okay, click I accept the above two license agreements. Click next, and then disable Windows Fast-Up or just leave it alone. Click next, and then click next, and it should download. And once this pops up, you just want to leave the NI certificates installer. We don't need this, so just click next. Wait for it to determine the license, and then click I accept the above two license agreements, and click next. And it's gonna install all of these which you need. So click next, and let it download from there. And I'll come back once the installation is done. Okay, now after everything is done, you will need to make an account. So click create a user account. And just let's go to Google Chrome, for instance, and it's gonna say create an NI user account. You're gonna need to your name, last name, your role. I don't think you need to, but I guess you could leave it like that. Company, I think you may need to do this. Company address, just put like some random ones. City, wherever you live, your state, your postal code, your phone number, your email address. It does say this will be your NI account login. We recommend using your work or company email address. And then password, and then create an account. Once your account is created, you will go to login to activate. And you will input your email and password. And then from there, you let me log in real quick. Okay. Now that I'm back of rebooting my system, you should have the Robo tool, and the FRC drive station. Ignore this. This is for the Phoenix Center. Now that you have that, the last thing we're gonna need to have is the versus code. So launch this and just click open, and then it's right there. It's gotta be named WPILib installer. Double click that. Then again, it's a verified user, so just click run anyway. After clicking more info, then click run anyway. You're gonna need to click start. Have everything installed for this user. And the only thing out of all of these, just click download for this computer only. And then after that, we'll just wait for the installation. And it shouldn't take too long. But I'll stop until it's downloaded. Okay, now that it's done, click next. And after that, we just wait for the installation to take place after you click next. And I'll get back to you once it's done. Now that it's done installing, just click finish. And there you go. You should have, let me just close this. And then just move this foot over here. Now that you have everything, you should have the documents and code. This is the one we're going to use the most, so just remember that. And all the things you should have are the RoboRail, the FRC Radio Configuration, the Phoenix Tuner, REV Hardware Client, the FRC Driver Station, the document, and the versus code. And that's pretty much it. If you need any more assistance, I'll be glad to help. And thank you for looking into this video. And good luck.